Looking for unique garden borders and edging ideas? Imagine enhancing your garden's aesthetic appeal, creating a neat and organized look, and providing clear boundaries for different garden sections. Stay tuned to discover 7 unique garden borders and edging ideas. Start with natural stone borders, perfect for a rustic organic feel with options like slate, quartz, or granite. Natural stone borders, a timeless classic for any garden. Next up, recycled bottle edging. Transform discarded bottles into vibrant, eco-friendly borders, adding a unique, playful touch. Recycled bottle edging, bringing color and sustainability to your garden. Moving on to brick borders. Bricks provide a sturdy, durable border, offering a versatile, traditional choice for garden edging. Brick borders, a strong foundation for your garden's boundaries. Let's explore bamboo edging. Its natural beauty and durability offer a unique tropical vibe, blending functionality with aesthetics. Bamboo edging, a tropical touch to your garden's edge. Now consider metal edging. It's a sleek and strong choice offering long-lasting charm to any garden. Metal edging, a sleek and durable choice for your garden. Let's not forget wooden edging. It's naturally appealing, incredibly versatile, and effortlessly easy to install. Wooden edging, a versatile and easy-to-install option. Finally, concrete borders. They're durable, malleable in shape and color, and exude a modern aesthetic. Concrete borders, a modern and customizable choice for your garden. And there you have it, 7 unique garden borders and edging ideas. From natural stone to recycled bottles, there's a world of possibilities awaiting in your garden. So get creative. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening!